What tips do you have for busy people struggling to prep healthy meals?
Oh, right. Okay. Well, just pick 1 or 2 days a week, maybe a Sunday and a Wednesday, and dedicate a certain amount of time to getting your groceries, bringing them home, and then planning what you're going to have for the week. And it's so easy because if you just prioritize protein, make sure you have enough protein sources for the week or even 2 weeks. The second piece is make sure you have enough vegetables to add to the protein. And the third one is make sure you have good, healthy fats. That's really all you need to keep in your kitchen. And 2 days a week, cut up your vegetables, get your protein ready, have these in your kitchen. And when you're busy, 30 minutes, you can have a delicious meal. And when you do cook, cook double it or triple it, freeze part of it. Those are the tips that I would recommend for busy people to be healthy. And hey, follow me for more tips just like these.